Hello friends, this is the brand new Audi Q6 Sportback, one of the most advanced vehicles from the VW group. This new crossover incorporates all the latest developments from the conglomerate, from its platform to its cutting-edge digital computing system, effectively turning the car into a powerful supercomputer on wheels. But let's go through everything step by step. The Audi designers clearly decided that a standard crossover would be too ordinary. So, they took the silhouette of the Audi TT, stretched it over a 5-door crossover, and created the Q6 Sportback. It's precisely this roofline that gives the new model its dynamic and elegant appearance. From the front, it's a typical modern Audi, featuring a 3-dimensional single-frame grille and 2-tier lighting. Audi employs the most advanced matrix headlights here, with a vast number of LEDs. A dedicated control unit manages the lights, allowing them to selectively dim for oncoming cars, peek around corners, and handle all routine lighting tasks for you. The rear lights are also unique, consisting of 2 OLED panels with 360 elements each, a feature currently unmatched by any other brand. These smart lights can display various patterns, and they're quite expensive, so it's best not to break them. Overall, the rear lights form a continuous light strip that stretches from one end to the other, reflecting the influence of the e-tron GT family. The new model has an aggressive and dynamic look. It also boasts a very low drag coefficient of just 0.26, which is essential for its performance. Inside, the new Sportback is also ahead of its time. The centerpiece of the interior is the digital panorama display. It's a freestanding curved display built with OLED technology, giving it an incredibly high-quality appearance. It combines a 12-inch virtual instrument cluster with a 14.5-inch touchscreen for the multimedia system. In keeping with current trends, an 11-inch display is also available for the front passenger, though this no longer surprises anyone these days. A standout innovation for the new model is the optional heads-up display with augmented reality elements. This display shows key information such as the current speed, road signs, navigation directions, and driver assistance features. But the real charm lies in its size and image quality. Its display is equivalent to an 88-inch screen, and to encompass the entire image, an illusion is created that the content appears to be 200 meters away, seamlessly overlaying onto the surrounding world. Important changes have also been made to the voice control system. Audi has introduced an updated voice assistant that can recognize over 800 commands and is deeply integrated into the vehicle system. Now, with the help of artificial intelligence and integration with ChatGPT, the assistant can not only execute commands for controlling the vehicle's functions, but also answer questions or provide information, such as weather updates. The infotainment system in the Audi now uses the Android Automotive OS platform for the first time. This allows users to install popular apps like YouTube directly into the system without the need to connect a smartphone. And it also provides access to a full app store. The company hasn't forgotten about the familiar premium features, such as the B&O sound system with 20 speakers and a total power of 830 watts. 4 of these speakers are integrated into the headrests of the front seats, allowing for the creation of individual sound zones for each passenger. What impresses the most is the new digital system of the car. It now consists of 5 supercomputers instead of a large number of electronic control units. These computers are interconnected by a domain network with high-speed internet connectivity, allowing them to exchange large data packets in real time. Each of these units is responsible for managing a specific system of the vehicle. This solution is more powerful and faster in performing its tasks. Moreover, Audi is one of the first to offer such technology on the market. But that's far from all this car has to surprise you with. In terms of technology, the new Q6 Sportback has a lot to offer. The model is built on an entirely new PPI platform, which is the most advanced development from the VW group. Furthermore, The company's engineers have completely redesigned key structural elements with a special focus on the suspension, steering, and damping systems, taking driving dynamics to a whole new level. One of the key features of the new model is the updated front axle design. In this model, the suspension arms are positioned in front of the steering links, which allows for more precise feedback and improved handling. The enhanced suspension kinematics significantly improve driving dynamics while simultaneously enhancing the steering response. A crucial factor in this process is the rigid mounting of the subframe, which securely holds the steering mechanism in place, making the car more agile and predictable in all road conditions. One of the main innovations of the Q6 Sportback is the new software for steering control. In combination with the updated front axle, it provides the driver with more precise and consistent feedback through the steering wheel. This enhances the driving experience, making the car feel even more responsive and dynamic. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive setup and advanced torque distribution between the axles, the vehicle offers high stability and excellent maneuverability, even under heavy loads. One of the key components responsible for driving comfort is the new passive damping system. This system adapts to road conditions by adjusting the damping level based on the situation, whether it's driving over cobblestones or executing sharp maneuvers at high speeds. For example, when driving over uneven surfaces, the system provides additional damping, reducing body vibrations and enhancing comfort. In addition, the car is equipped with an adaptive air suspension with adjustable damping. It can automatically maintain a constant body height regardless of the vehicle's load, which also positively impacts comfort and stability. Now, for the most exciting part, the powertrain. Since the new Q6 Sportback is an electric vehicle, it offers several configuration options, each designed to cater to different preferences. The new model offers 2 battery versions and 2 drivetrain options, all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive. Already in the base version, with an 83 kWh battery and a single electric motor producing 292 horsepower, the rear-wheel drive model accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 7 seconds in launch control mode. However, the driving range in this case will be 545 kilometers. In the performance version, the electric motor delivers 306 horsepower, and it is paired with a 100 kWh battery. This version accelerates to 100 km/h in just 6.6 seconds, with a driving range of 656 kilometers. There is also an all-wheel drive version with 2 electric motors and the same 100 kWh battery, but in this case, the power output is 387 horsepower. The acceleration to 100 km/h takes 5.9 seconds, and the driving range is 636 kilometers. The most powerful version, the SQ6 Sportback, impresses with its dual motor system, producing 489 horsepower. It can accelerate to 100 km/h in an impressive 4.3 seconds. At this pace, the most powerful Q6 can cover a range of 607 kilometers. All versions of the new model have a fixed maximum speed of 210 km/h, while the top model, the SQ6, can reach a speed of 230 km/h. Thanks to the advanced thermal management system for the high-voltage battery and the 800-volt electrical system, charging is incredibly fast. For example, the Q6 e-tron Performance can charge for 10 minutes at a fast charging station, gaining enough energy to travel an additional 265 kilometers. With a maximum charging power of 270 kilowatts, it takes just 22 minutes to charge the battery from 10% to 80%, which is quite impressive. Let's sum it up. The new Audi Q6 Sportback e-tron is not just an electric vehicle, but a complete solution with advanced technologies and outstanding performance. The variety of battery and drivetrain options allows each customer to find the model that best suits their needs, whether it's a more economical version or the powerful and fast SQ6. Naturally, such features influence the price, The base version of the Q6 Sportback will cost €65,900, while the top-of-the-line SQ6 version will be priced at €96,200. The new model will be assembled at Audi's home factory in Ingolstadt. That's it for today, friends. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. And don't forget to stay updated with new videos. I recommend subscribing to the channel. Wishing you all the best and see you next time.